Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do an unboxing of a Bluetooth speaker from Soundboard. It's a Soundboard SB571 Pro. So we also done an unboxing of the Soundboard SB571 earlier on this channel, but now we have the Pro variant. So there are some interesting features for this Pro variant. So this was launched in India last month, and the official pricing is 6,900 for a pair of speakers. So we'll tell you why it is being sold as a pair. So this is the Soundboard speaker, this SB571 Pro, and you can see the mention of the Quadio wireless speaker. So we'll tell you why this is called Quadio. So before going to that, let's just see the features, the salient features of this wireless Bluetooth speakers. You can see wireless features: deep dynamic bass performance, built-in microphone, up to 10 hours of playback, and built-in 3.5mm audio port as well. Then premium 5-volt dual speakers, crystal clear sound, rechargeable battery, large 50mm drivers, then hands-free calling. So these are the features of this speaker, and you can see here it is compatible with smartphones, tablets, laptops and desktops. And you can also see the control keys on the speaker, volume keys, the pairing option, the microphone, the input for charging slot, and the aux port. And this is priced 6,999 for the pair of speakers. Now coming to why it is called Quadio wireless Bluetooth speaker. So you can see that we have 4 speakers. All of them are Soundboard SB571 Pro, and the advantage of this Quadio is that what you can do is you can connect the first Bluetooth speaker to your smartphone or tablet or laptop, whatever it is, using the Bluetooth, and rest of the 3 speakers you can connect as master slave option. So what it does is once you connected the first, say for example, if you're connecting this to the smartphone, all the other three can be connected to this, and all the 3 acts as a slave while this is the master speaker. So that functionality gives it a really good thing. So what you can do is using just one speaker, you can make it as like a 4.1 channel, having 4 speakers located in different location, because it has a Bluetooth functionality. So you can place 4 speakers in 4 corners of the room and get a really good sound output. So that's why it's called the Quadio wireless speaker, but it is sold as a pair of speakers. So if you buy from Amazon, you get a pair of Quadio Bluetooth speakers. So this is how it comes. So a pair comes with the box packaging. So now let's get started with unboxing, and I will also show you the sound quality of the speaker. So let's just open the box. So there you go. So opening up, you can see there is a good quality pouch included. So this is the pouch. So there you go, you can see Soundboard logo is here, and let's just open this pouch. And here we have a couple of things. So one is the charging cable, the standard micro USB charging cable. Then we have the aux cable, the 3.5mm audio port, and we have the Quadio start guide and the user manual, and you can see this is how to set this up. So here we can see that there is an option, Quadio satellite speaker pairing and setup. So once you are paired with the primary speaker, all the other 3 speakers, or rather if you are not using 4 speakers, if you are using 2 speaker, the second speaker can be paired as the slave speaker. So you can see this works as a slave master speakers. That will be so that's how it is paired. So you don't need any cables or anything. So the first speaker will obviously be the master one, which is connected to your smartphone or tablet, and the second one will be connected to the first speaker instead of connecting to the device. So you will have all the functionality on the master speaker, while the slave does not have any sort of functionality if they are connected in that manner. So you can see 2 5-volt premium speakers included. So there is no speaker here. This is the area where speaker is available, and the functionality how you place the speaker, this is how you place the speaker. So you can see it rests on the bottom portion, and the speakers are facing towards the top area. So that's how it works. So you can see the Soundboard logo as well. So this you can just peel this off the sticker, and you can see the volume up and down keys, the pairing key, off and on mechanism, the aux port, and the 5-volt DC input for charging this battery. So the build quality looks pretty good. It's a metal construction, and here we have pretty good overall overall fit and finish, and it's slightly on the heavier side, but it does have dual speakers, so that's something really good. 5 watt dual speakers are included. So that's it. Now let's just pair this. So we'll just turn on this, so just slide this and it turns off. So that's all inside the box. Now let's just set up the speaker, and we'll show you the sound quality. So now we are connected the speaker with the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now let's just play some sample music to see the quality of the sound output. So you can just increase the volume a bit. So next we'll play a video from our channel. So we are taking the YouTube app, and we'll just play the video. Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a camera comparison of the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5 Pro with the Lenovo K8 Note. So that is a sound test on the soundboard SB571 Pro. Now let's just make a call. So we are just making a call using the Bluetooth speaker. So this is how you can make the calls using the Bluetooth speaker. So basically you can answer calls or make calls using the Bluetooth speaker without having to use the phone only for dialing. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the soundboard SB571 Pro Quadio wireless Bluetooth speaker. So it's a quite a good speaker. It comes in a pair, and the price is around 6,900. That's the official pricing. You might be able to get it slightly cheaper, even though that's the official pricing. So for that pricing, this definitely feels like slightly an expensive one. Because you get a bit more cheaper variants of Bluetooth speakers, but then you get a pair of speakers with the soundboard SB571 Pro for around 6 to 6.5k. You get a pair of speakers. So if you are looking for a performance in a room, you can just fire up these speakers with a Bluetooth connectivity, and they perform quite well with the dual 5-watt speakers. So that's the quick unboxing and hands-on with the soundboard SB571 Pro. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos, and we'll leave the link in the description of this video in case you want to buy these speakers. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.